So continuing from the last episode on my preventing character overhanging on the ledges, I have added an extra feature. So here I have added an animation to make character move away from the ledge like this. So somewhat it somewhat reduces the sliding effect that happens at the edge. It's not yet perfect, but yeah, this is what I could do so far. Move back animation. And as always, this episode is also sponsored by these generous Patreons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. So this is what I have in my current implementation. When I move to a ledge, the character kind of slides back to the safe zone, and that looks ugly. So I need an animation to play to move back, and actually I do have animations even for the slide motion with coming from the blend space, but that's not clearly visible here because we are not getting a significant movement. So therefore I thought of adding actually I see people have commented that it would look nice if we add some moving back animation. So I thought of adding some animation like this. um, yeah, so I'm going to add this one only up to this point, because otherwise I will be moving too far, and I am going to add this animation with the root motion enabled. So right, let me prune down this animation first. But if I move it like this, no. Still too many frames. Okay, I think this would do. Right, so I'll download this animation without the skin, of course, and I'm back in Blender. So I'll add that. This is the walk backward animation. I'll add the root bone to that animation to support root motion in Unreal like this. Right, now I have this walk backward animation with the root motion. So I'll import that animation into this folder. I don't need to import the mesh, only the animation. This night root motion skeleton, the one I already have. Okay, this is the animation, and I'll enable root motion to this with the first frame as the root motion root lock. So animation is like this. Right, now from this animation I'll create an animation montage, work backward montage like this. And then what else? Yeah, here instead of doing instead of doing this, let me play that montage. Play animation montage, and I'll skip this part for now, and this reset is like this. Okay, and this part is not executed anymore. Right, so let's see what happens with this animation. Alright, let's see what happens. Right, it does move back like this, and it looks pretty good. What happens if I move a little too much? Alright, okay, here I have a problem. See, so when my let's see closer, let's take a closer look. Okay, when the capsule is a little bit below the edge, this character cannot move backward even with the root motion or with the input animation. So input, not animation, with the movement input. So this character is stuck there. Right, so how can we solve that problem? Maybe shall we do something like this? Let's do both. I'll break this here. Let's add a sequence and move this one. Well, just see. Let's just see what happens. Let's go to the edge. Alright, I think that does the trick. See? But I kind of feel like this is either too slow. So let's speed up this one. So, and let's see how it looks now. Okay, I think this is better. But he comes too further from the edge. Maybe Let's reduce this by half. Not here, in the montage. So instead of playing the full animation, let's play only half of it, maybe 0.9, and see what happens. Right, this is better. Not really. Let's try 1.2. And here let's reduce the distance. No, I can't do that. Let's add a small delay here. So it will be more in sync with the animation. I think animation blend time is not fast enough. Let's reduce this to 0.1. So that I should be able to get rid of that initial slide. Right. Oh, what happened? Some bug is in the system. I think that bug happens if I use this one with the delay. Maybe I should use this. That I think that bug wouldn't happen. Right. Okay, and I think this is good enough for me. So I'll stop at this point for today. And yeah, let me know if you still have problem with this and if you have any more suggestions to improve this effect. Alright, if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And also, a new episode in the early access third person shooter series is also available in my Patreon. Feel free to check that as well. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.